Darryl Thomson and Clayton Kessler here with TracksAndTrails.ca Adventures.
Oh, look at that.
While volunteering to train people how to light a fire without matches at the British Columbia Be an Outdoor Woman Weekend, we helped dozens of women light a fire without matches for their first time. Come down to the Vancouver Outdoor Adventure and Travel Show and try our new survival tool to light your own fire, the reliable, compact quick-fire, or the complete FATWOOD QUICK-FIRE KIT.
So you'll make a little pancake so that you can pick it up and put it in the center of your little fire pile.
Wowza.
And watch how long that burns. Just as long, if not longer and hotter than the cotton and Vaseline.